So Peter's saying, can you please explain how Kangen water gets through the blood-brain barrier to assist in cognitive functions?
Well, it's a pretty big assumption. So without getting into a discourse in neuroscience and blood-brain barrier, because I think we'd start losing people, what I would say is this. The electrolysis process creates a free flowing of electrons. And those electrons don't have to travel through the tubes inside the body. They can bond, they can literally travel through tissue in an electrical transfer. So we're taught basic chemistry. But beyond chemistry, below chemistry is physics. And everything is really condensed light, condensed waves, which we talked about earlier. And so when you drink electrolyzed water, that electron will bond to a free radical wherever it is, and your body will take that stuff out of your brains. What I will also say, though, is that because it's called reduced water, what that means is it's reduced osmotic pressure. The pressure of your cell operates at approximately 80 dynes. That's what you measure osmotic pressure. And tap water or bottled water is going to come in at 110, 120 water. So it doesn't actually get inside the cell. So when you go through electrolysis, it breaks up the bonds, changes the angles, and this makes the water slipperier, makes it smaller. It reduces that. And what happens is you get water that's around 60 dynes. And that lower osmotic pressure permeates the cell membrane much easier than water of a higher osmotic pressure. Although that osmotic pressure stays outside the cell, so it's interstitial fluid, not in the cell where you need it. And so Kangen water reduces the structure through electrolysis, breaks it up, makes these smaller things. It's absorbable by the cells and carries through better. So that's really how it transport pass. And the antioxidants are picked up electrically without even the transport through the tubes.
I love that explanation. Very simple explanation. Thank you, Wade.